Today I'm gonna give the output of our first experiment of learning HTML. So our batch was given this page for as an example to complete our experiment. So it consists of a heading, three subheadings, with which its own properties, and then a table at the third subheading, and at last some subthings which will lead to the respective headings. So here's the code for it. So here the title of the page we put in, and then here the heading, the subheading. Using the header tag, I have put the heading, and also the subheading has been used, but H3, which is a different size from H1, has been used for the subheading, and then a mockup. It is a dummy text has been put as a paragraph, and then here the external link. You can see that I have put the outside a link that doesn't belong to the HTML page that I have created. It's an outside website, so I have put here Karunia for us for easy reference, and then I have put target put underscore blank, so it opens to a new page, and then again we go to the internal link where I have put an HTML page which I created myself within this project, and these texts are used to represent the link's name. And here email to mail, I have put my name here, and then for phone number, tell colon of whatever number we want to put in there. And then clickable image, I have put the anchor, I have always used the anchor tag. And within it, I have put the HTML page I'm clicking. And since this is a clickable image, instead of this text, I have put a image tag which consists of the image that that's the end of the division 1, and the division 2 consists of the same as the heading, division 1, the subheading of heading size 3 and the dummy text. And here a nested list is put as per the requirements of the list they have given here. So it's a ordered list first, and within it the unordered list is put, and within it another ordered list is put with the type A. So instead of 1 and 2 of default values, we put like A item number 2.2.1, B item number 2.2.2, and then slowly from last we are using all the tags, and then again the description list is put here. Title is PHP and description is the server side script, and same goes for Java with the description title and the client side script as the description. And this division gets over here, and next the next division comes up. Here the same thing, subheading 3 is being put with the help of a head and the dummy text. Here we need to make a table which was to be to look like this. So here, for example, so I have uh, here row is equal to 4. So all the 4 rows will be merged in fourth column, because it's here row 1, column 1, column 2, column 3 has been normal, and the column 4 we are merging all the 4 rows, so it will come and appear as this. I show it in the output. So after that, the respective fields to be merged is done that way, and then the table is ended here, and then again the division of the third division is ended here, and for the links that are needed at the end here. So sorry, that I have put here I want it to be in the same line, so I've given span, and here I have put a reference to sub of 1 to which ID I have provided here is sub 1, so the subheading 1. Then the body, this is the whole of the website, so I'll execute it now. So here is the website, it's loading now. So when I place place the mouse, it shows the HTML title. and the respective website that was asked to do. So now I'm going to put it in the validator and show that there are no errors. So I'll put a valid by direct input. I pasted it, check. Down, you'll see that there are no errors. This table of borrow one is a CSS error since this is the HTML syntax